Today on the Wide Open, we're going to take the Fat Cat boat and get it wrapped.
Wide Open Outdoor Adventures with your host, Dave Valtiero.
Hey guys, Dave Valtiero, Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. I'm at Fat Cat Boats here in Flower Bluff, just outside of Corpus Christi. Tell you what, you know I'm a gadget guy, don't you? I got a 21-foot Manta Ray coming your way on Wide Open. Powered by Suzuki. It's got power pole, Lowrance, Minn Kota. Two cool new toys, Fat Cat boats. They got a racing heritage. It's time to go fast. Well, I'm part of the Fat Cat family, guys, now, and you guys need to check out this boat. It's totally rigged, totally custom. This 21-foot Manta Ray center console's got racing heritage. Got a Suzuki on here, power pole, Lowrance, Minn Kota. Say hello to my new friend. All right, guys, it's now time to take this brand new piece of machinery to DBS Graphics on Weber Road in Corpus Christi and meet Shawn. Hey, you must be Shawn.
Yes, sir. You must be Dave.
Yeah, Dave with Wide Open Sportsman on YouTube. You see the boat out there. I'm ready to see what you can do for it. I hear the guys at Fat Cat says you're the magic man.
Well, I love the boat. It's gorgeous. Wait till you see what we do with it.
All right, let's check it out. Let me see your place,
Come
man.
on inside the shop.
Oh, look at this. Cool. This is a great place. But let me ask you this. What is the process that you're going to take me through from start to finish?
Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sit down and we're going to spend some time talking so I can kind of get in your head. I can design what I think is cool all day long, but I have to design what you think is cool. So we'll sit down, you'll show me some samples of stuff you've seen, something that kind of triggers your imagination, and then I'll do my thing. I can design what I think is cool all day, but I have to design what you think is cool. So I have to get inside your head. Well, I can honestly tell you, our main philosophy is we give people what they need, not what they want. A lot of people come in here with ideas and suggestions and things they want, but we are the designers. This is what we do. So it's my job to help guide the people to give them exactly what they need, not necessarily what they want. It's a purpose, whether it's to get more phone calls, more people coming in your office, or like you, to get more subscribers on YouTube. We have to design the wrap around that. So it's purpose-driven and it's pretty to look at. We treat our customers like we're part of their internal marketing department, not just somebody that does whatever you ask for when you come through the door. It's our job to help guide you so that you make the most bang for the buck. First of all, we use the top of the line installers and, well, me for graphics, but we use also the best equipment and the best materials. We don't cut corners with anything. We go real far with our installs, much further than any other company does. Well, you know, one thing is we offer a 3-year warranty, and that's not for taking lighthearted. We're offering a 3-year warranty because we go very far with our installs. We go further than most people do with the door handles, the tail lights, the headlights, the window trim. We take everything off possible so that the wrap is underneath it. We never put a knife to your car. And then we use the best installers that have gone to classes for actually going to wrap school. And then, of course, me for the design. Well, you can see, Dave, we started off with those sample images you sent me where they have colors and shapes and stuff so I can design it around what you think looks cool, like we talked about before. So I'll take these and then I go to your website, look at other things that you had printed and done so I can make sure everything looks concise in the same company. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. So it's important that I take all these puzzle pieces and put it all together and I make it pretty.
Cool. So you got something to show me?
Oh, absolutely. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I hope you're ready. Here it is.
Okay. Oh, you got the green, you got the black, you got the Wide Open Sportsman, and then, oh, I love it, you got the logo on the side of the center console. Man, I tell you, It hits me, man. Oh, and you know what? You got a swirl right here. You got that swirl, and it kind of continues. I tell you what. You know what? I just right out of the gate, try to make those red lines go farther on the bow and on the stern. And let's do something a little bit more with these lines. Maybe they're laying out. Remember, I wanted kind of long lines. You got them kind of coming up. So can you make a couple tweaks and show it to me?
Well, absolutely, Dave. That's what this is about.
Baby, I'm waiting.
Right.
And now it's time to unwrap it. Let's see what you got. Oh man, it hits me perfect. There's not as much black on the front. You've got the red lines going forward. Made a little bit of edits to the things that we talked about on the wording. Looks awesome. The logo, I see you put some etching around it, some gray etching around it. Sweet.
Everything's to make it pop.
And you got these lines laid out a little more instead of swirling up so much. You got it all the way in the back with a kind of a red line, striking through there. And then the cowling on the motor. Love it. You incorporated the whole theme back there as well. Man, that's just over the top. Looks awesome. I think we've hit it. I think we're ready to print it.
I'm ready to put it on. Here at DBS Graphics, we have the largest format printer in Corpus Christi. And we have that for the pure reason so we can do most wraps and vehicles on boats, cars, trucks, everything in one panel.
The wrap is printed on an Air Regis system vinyl and printed with UV ink and UV laminate.
Everything we do is custom and one of a kind. Hey guys, I'm Shawn and I'm with Dave from Wide Open Sportsman, and we're putting the final touches on his boat wrap. Right now we're focusing on the center console. Let me show you where we're at.
Everything that can come off, comes off. Every nook and cranny is cleaned and prepared with 70% isopropyl alcohol. They don't cut corners or use cheap materials. The wrap is applied with as few seams as possible. It's easy for Shawn to get excited about his work when he has such passion for it.
Once we get this side done, we'll work on the front of the console. The reason we do this part last, because it's like a jigsaw puzzle, we want all the overlapping panels to be facing the back of the boat, so as to keep it from coming back up again. Once we get this front piece on, all that's left is reassembly of the console. As you can see, we can put the cushions back, put all the gauges back, everything back in its original place. The last thing we're doing is we'll wrap these center inside parts right here, which is kind of different than what most people do. Then we just got to put the hardware back on, and this thing's ready to rock.
Shawn, man, you totally exceeded my expectations. Thanks, man. It looks
You're welcome. My pleasure.
killer, man.
Well, you remember where we started and started with some sketches, just some ideas, and we took those ideas and made this one-of-a-kind piece of art just for you.
Look at the detail you did right here, where you put this green behind the metal plate that's been powder-coated black. Dude, one of a kind. Look back here and just look at the side of this thing. Awesome, man. Unreal. It's going to make a statement. It's what Wide Open's all about. I love it, man. I mean, unreal.
My pleasure.
You know, this is Shawn Wesson right here in Corpus Christi, DBS Graphics. He can do airplanes, he can do boats like this, he can do your truck or your van. If you have a plumbing company, he can make the side of it an advertisement to drive you more business. I love it, man.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we have to get out there and catch some fish too. You said you want to go fishing with me.
Ready to go. Let's get wet.
Let's get wet. All right, brother. That sounds great. Thanks, guys. We're going to get it on the water right now. Woohoo! We've got the 21-foot Manta Ray Fat Cat on the water. We're going to make some killer segments, helping you find fish, helping you navigate skinny water, and helping you get rod bending action and get the hookup. Gotta love it.
Click subscribe, and you'll be on your way to the next Wide Open adventure.